In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on a Wix website. We're going to do this directly inside your Wix dashboard using Wix's built-in marketing integrations area. This is a straightforward setup, and once it's connected properly, you'll be able to track visitor activity on your site through your Google tag. Start by going to wix.com and opening your website dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where Wix keeps the main controls for your site, including the settings and integrations we need for this setup. From that left menu, click on Settings. After the settings page opens, scroll all the way down. There are a lot of options in this section, so take your time and keep going until you reach the area labeled Development and Integrations. Inside that section, click on Marketing Integrations. This is where Wix allows you to connect third-party marketing and tracking tools to your website without needing to manually place code on your pages. Once you're in Marketing Integrations, find Google Tag. When you see it, click Connect. This will open the setup flow for linking your site with your Google Tag. At this point, you'll need to set up a Google Tag ID. This is the tracking ID associated with your Google Analytics or Google Tag configuration, and it's what tells Wix which tracking setup should be attached to your website. Make sure you use the correct tag ID for the property you want to track. Next, add your Google Tag ID to your site in the field provided. Double check the ID before confirming, because even a small typo can prevent your analytics from working correctly. Once the tag ID is added, Wix can begin connecting your site to Google's tracking system. You may also see the option to add additional tag destinations. This step is optional, so only use it if you need the same tag to send data to other connected Google tools as part of your setup. You'll also have the option to activate advanced consent mode, which is optional as well. If your site needs to account for consent preferences, this setting can help align tracking behavior with user privacy choices. After that, your Google Analytics installation through Wix is essentially in place. As a quick tip, remember that analytics data may not appear instantly, so give it a little time after connecting everything. And if you want to be extra careful, review your tag ID one more time before leaving the page. That's it. You've now connected Google Analytics to your Wix website using the built-in Google Tag integration.